In Duna 13-13-1-1, back another banger unboxing review. Today we got Planet of the Vampires, a film by Mario Bava, guys, released in 1965, guys. Many have agreed is one of the most influential sci-fi pictures in cinema history, guys. Inspired movies like Aquaman 2 and stuff like that, guys. Inspired decades of space age shocks and now probably since one of the most electrifying, visually stunning classics from Italian cinema, golden age, guys. The master of macabre, Mario freaking Bava, guys. Directed movies like Black Sabbath, which was the other movie, Black Sunday. Yeah, let's open this bad boy up real quick. Got the opening. Lucky to get the slipcover. It wasn't promoted with a slipcover on the website. Okay. See the master of macabre. See the master of freaking macabre. Here it is outside the slipcover. Let's unbox it. Oh, guys, two covers, wait. Here's what it looks like inside. Planet of the Vampires dominating. 10,000 years ago or 10,000 years to come, are they beings of the future or the past? These quote-unquote men rule the demon planet. Guys, looks freaking awesome, guys. Planet of the Vampires, Mario freaking Bava, guys. And yeah, guys, looks freaking dominating. And bye.